Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum my our YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys I have shared with you crochet हैंडबैग डिज़ाइंस हैं more elegant and attractive से आइडियाज़ हैं. होप कि आप लोगों को टोटल डिज़ाइन पसंद आ रहे होंगे. लाइक कमेंट शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिएगा. crochet handbag design दिखाए हैं more elegant and attractive ideas, and so I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends here. Inshallah will share how you like our videos. If you want any videos related to any different pattern, style and substyles to more creating designs for related to our crochet handbag designs. So friends, this video is so amazing and popular designs for more attractive ideas. Amazing and gorgeous videos have for more attractive and elegant designs. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends. Really, inshallah, this shows how you like our videos. If you want any videos related to any different pattern, style, and for more attractive designs. So friends, this video is so beautiful designs for more attractive, gorgeous ideas. Amazing and gorgeous videos, and so find this video so beautiful design. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends. Inshallah we share I like our videos. If you want any videos related to any pattern for more creating designs, so find this video so beautiful. I requested all of you to subscribe to my channel first, and also make sure to follow the shows to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to you people in it. If you guys are interested in my videos, you get many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. Amazing and gorgeous videos हैं. So I hope कि आप लोगों को इस तरह की gorgeous videos पसंद आ रही होंगी. लाइक कमेंट शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना हरगिज़ मत भूलिएगा. इस तरह के more attractive और creating designs को फॉलो करते रहा करें. शेयर भी किया करें with new amazing and gorgeous ideas. So friends, this video is so beautiful for more attractive designs, for more creating designs. So let's go. Inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks once again. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. See you later. Bye bye.